This story is from my childhood. My grandfather was unwell in those days. He died, after which my grandmother became very sad. Then, after a few months, I felt thirsty at night while sleeping, so I got up to drink water. Then I heard the sound of grandfather's snoring from grandmother's room, and I was 100% shocked because I've been living with my grandparents since childhood. So after hearing that, I hid in the bed out of fear and could not sleep the whole night. Then the next morning I told this to Mom, but she thought it was my dream. But only I know the reality.